A single sneeze saved a woman's life when it dislodged a tumor that doctors had struggled to detect, altering her destiny in a way that left medical professionals astounded. This remarkable event unfolded as she prepared for what seemed like an ordinary day, only to be interrupted by an unexpected sneeze so powerful that it expelled a life-threatening mass from her nasal cavity. Initially dismissed as a bizarre occurrence, further examination revealed the tumor had been precariously situated, posing a severe risk had it remained undiscovered. This serendipitous act of nature not only spared her from an uncertain future but has also intrigued the medical community, challenging their understanding of how such anomalies can occur. The story of her life-saving sneeze has become a testament to the unpredictable and sometimes miraculous ways the body can protect itself, leaving everyone who hears it both bewildered and inspired by the sheer unpredictability of life.